Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Buy Me a Coffee email verification issues. So if you're not receiving the verification email, the link is not working, or your account is stuck on verification, this guide will help you fix it step by step in 2026. First, check your spam or junk folder. Yeah, sometimes the verification email gets filtered automatically and doesn't appear in your main inbox. Next, go back to the login page and click Resend Verification Email. Wait a few minutes and then check your inbox again. Sometimes it just takes a little time to arrive. Now make sure you're using the correct email address. I mean, if you accidentally signed up with a different email, the verification link will never arrive in your expected inbox. Next, check your internet connection and browser. Sometimes slow internet or browser glitches can prevent verification pages from opening properly. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, these tools can sometimes block verification emails or prevent the link from loading correctly. Now try logging in from another browser or device. I mean, sometimes the issue is just browser compatibility, and switching devices fixes it instantly. If nothing works, contact Buy Me a Coffee support and explain your issue clearly. Include your email address so they can manually check your verification status, and that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Buy Me a Coffee email verification issues in 2026. Hopefully, your account gets verified without any problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.